The market theme: Nifty is likely to witness wild swings. Traders need to brace for these four key catalysts. 1. Fresh security scare around Donald Trump. Media reports suggest, once again, a gunman got perilously close to Trump. This marks the third shooting or attempted shooting incident around him in recent years, definitely something global markets will take note of. 2. Strait of Hormuz remains shut. Iran continues restricting passage through the critical shipping lane following U.S.-Israel strikes in February and escalating tensions over Tehran's nuclear ambitions. The standoff has now entered its eighth week, keeping oil markets on edge. 3. Jerome Powell's final Fed press conference on Wednesday, 29 April. Powell is likely to hold his last official press conference as Federal Reserve Chair before his term ends on 15 May. The Federal Reserve is expected to keep rates unchanged at 3.50%, 3.75%. Focus will be on inflation commentary amid rising oil prices. Powell is likely to maintain a cautious tone and hint at a pause in further rate cuts. 4. Meanwhile, helping sentiments will be AAP MP Raghav Chadha joining the BJP. The Rajya Sabha member from Punjab said that alongside him, over two-thirds of the members of the party in the upper house are also merging with the Bharatiya Janata Party. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's negative session, FII sold to the tune of Rs 8828 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 4701 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals indicate overbought technical conditions, hence profit booking is likely. F&O April month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is trading firm near 19.71 levels. At last check, USD INR, April, had spiked near 94.47 levels. Nifty PCR, 28 April, is at 0.67 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.90. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.86. Midcap Nifty is at 1.06. Nifty outlook: the Strait of Hormuz remains a mess. Caution remains the buzzword on the benchmark Nifty on any excessive strength. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,898. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,667 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,700 and 24,100. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 76,664. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 77,900 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,000 to 77,700. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 56,090. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 55,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 57,429 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,700 and 56,900. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. The week gone by was a brutal week for Nifty 50 as caution replaced excessive euphoria. The negative takeaway was that the benchmark Nifty dived below the psychological 24,000 mark, signaling bears are back in command. Blame Dalal Street's pessimism on 7 negative catalysts. 1. No progress on U.S.-Iran peace talks. 2. WTI crude oil surged near $94 per barrel. 3. Rising inflation fears. 4. Indian rupee weakened to 94.10 USD. 5. FII exodus deepens in 2026 at 1.75 lakh rupees crore while April outflows swell to 56,364 crore rupees. 6. Technically weak setup, Nifty below 50, 100 and 200 DMA. 7. Fear of a petrol-diesel price hike post-assembly election results on 5th May. Long story short, stay cautious on the buy side until clarity emerges from the Middle East. Long story short, stay cautious on the buy side until clarity emerges from the Middle East. Key Q4 earnings today, Monday, 27th April. Ultratech Cement. Coal India, Varun Beverages, Our Small Finance Bank, Bajaj Finance, SBI Cards and Payment Services. Stocks in Spotlight. 1. Axis Bank Q4 PAT down 0.64% YoY to 7,071 crore rupees, despite healthy growth and better asset quality. 2. IDFC First Bank Q4 PAT up 5% YoY to 319 crore rupees, NII up 16%. 3. Paytm Payments Bank license cancelled by RBI for regulatory non-compliance. Paytm says core services remain unaffected. 4. Reliance Industries FY26 PAT at 95,610 crore rupees, becoming India's first company to cross $10 billion annual profit. 5. RBL Bank Q4 PAT jumped 3x to 230 crore rupees on strong growth and improving asset quality. 6. Infosys ADR under pressure after cautious FY27 revenue growth guidance of 1.5%, 3.5%. 7. Weak outlook echoed by peers, Tata Consultancy Services, HCL Tech, Wipro.